What is this? This is an apple. Yes, this is an apple. Now kids, what is this? This is an apricot. Great! This is an apricot. Let's see the next fruit. What is this? This is a banana. Wonderful! This is a banana. Are you ready? What is this? This is a blueberry. Yes, this is a blueberry. Look carefully. What is this? This is a cherry. Very good. This is a cherry. Now tell me, what is this? This is a coconut. Awesome! This is a coconut. Let's move to the next one. What is this? This is a dragon fruit. Excellent! This is a dragon fruit. Kids, can you guess? What is this? This is a fig. Great job! This is a fig. Now look here. What are these? These are grapes. Yes, these are grapes. Let's continue. What is this? This is a guava. Very nice. This is a guava. Here comes another fruit. What is this? This is a kiwi. Correct! This is a kiwi. Kids, what is this? This is a lemon. Wonderful! This is a lemon. Let's learn another fruit. What is this? This is a lychee. Amazing! This is a lychee. Now tell me, what is this? This is a mango. Yes, this is a mango. Look at this fruit. What is this? This is a muskmelon. Great! This is a muskmelon. Are you enjoying? What is this? This is an orange. Very good! This is an orange. Let's go ahead. What is this? This is a papaya. Excellent! This is a papaya. Kids, can you say its name? What is this? This is a peach. Awesome! This is a peach. Now look carefully. What is this? This is a pear. Correct! This is a pear. Let's see the next fruit. What is this? This is a pineapple. Very nice! This is a pineapple. Here is another fruit. What is this? This is a plum. Great job! This is a plum. Kids, what is this? This is a pomegranate. Wonderful! This is a pomegranate. Now guess this fruit. What is this? This is a raspberry. Amazing! This is a raspberry. Let's continue learning. What is this? This is a strawberry. Excellent! This is a strawberry. Last one, kids. What is this? This is a watermelon. Yes, this is a watermelon.